Two friends, Timmy and Tommy. One loves good habits, the other, well, still learning. Every morning, Timmy brushes his teeth until they sparkle like stars, so fresh. But Tommy yawns, forgets his brush, and says, "I'll do it later." Uh-oh. Timmy folds his blanket neatly, nice and tidy. Tommy throws it everywhere. What a mess. At breakfast, Timmy chooses fruit and milk. Yum. Tommy grabs chips and soda. Oops. When it's school time, Timmy's ready and early. Tommy's still hunting for his shoes. In class, Timmy listens carefully and raises his hand. Tommy, he's doodling funny faces. Sharing time, Timmy gives his toy car to a friend. Sharing feels so good. Oh no, Tommy spills paint all over the art room. Everyone giggles, but it's a big cleanup. Later, Tommy sits alone under a tree, thinking, maybe good habits aren't so boring after all. Change time. Tommy starts brushing, cleaning, sharing, and smiling more every day. Teamwork wins. Timmy and Tommy high five. Now both are shining with good habits.